Wait, look. Oh my god. Someone wanted to block your access without you knowing that it was intentional. But this is very intentional, and it's very clever. And I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say tell me what everything. But I didn't sign up to work here so I could keep the squad 20%. So whatever is going on, I want to end the action.
Let's hope there isn't any action. Yeah. Tell no one.
Ms. Fossbender, we've just been given a priority communication request from Pilot Command, the White House.
So who the Yahoos in Washington gonna do about this?
I guess I would be the head Yahoo. Oh, guys, Max told me you don't have a high opinion as politicians.
Say,
Neither do I. We went through hell getting the world on board with this program. We've come too far for it to fail. You and I both understand why we cannot let that happen.
yes, sir. So if I find anything, I'll report to you right away.
Actually, you'll be reporting to Max here. Good luck. Have at it.
Thank you, sir.
I'll leave you to alone if you need me ever about this.
Thank you. I'll be reporting to you. You lied to me. Again.
No, I just didn't answer your ridiculous demand.
No, but how do I switch that thing
Something
on?
you need to know. We've been having issues down here accessing the Dutch port SATCOM. We have reason to believe that it may not be accidental.
I know exit out.
We've been trying to access the Hong Kong satellite.
I knew it.
You think it's possible?
Yeah, it's possible. But even if you could access the Hong Kong satellite remotely, you're not gonna get the logs you need. Now, we gotta pull that information from the actual satellite up here.
Okay, I can authorize that.